Hey, it's Jane Wilson here, and today we're going to have some fun on the spin pole. Let's get started. This is a very simple beginning spin pole move that you can use to start a spin pole pass. The breakdown, and we're going to start with just the upper body. The inside hand is using a forearm grip and pressing against the pole, while the outside hand is now going to be the top hand reaching up high, holding onto the pole, pressing downwards into the shoulder, while the inside hand presses into the pole to create tension. Look at this again. So that forearm grip, the forearm is pressing against the pole and it's in line with my shoulder about a foot width away from the pole. That top hand will come up and I'm using all of my back muscles. So I'm not hanging from the arm, I'm engaging, I'm using my core, I'm pressing in and using my shoulder muscles, keeping my shoulders away from my ears. Alrighty, let's talk about my lower half. Let's talk about what's happening with my legs. Starting high on my tippy toes. So I'm already lifted into this position, starting high on my toes, stepping on that inside foot while the outside hand will come up. I will pivot on that inside foot while the outside leg will extend back. I'm going to pivot, and then lift into the move at the last second, holding my legs together straight as a pin, using my core to engage, and then landing as softly like a feather. This all together in a different angle. Starting on the inside foot, already on the tippy toes. Inside hand is using that forearm cup grip, pressing in. That outside hand's going to windmill up nice and high and reach and pull down as I pivot on the toes and then I bring those legs together. I'm pretending that my feet are paintbrushes and I'm painting a circle behind me. And remember, always to land softly and pivot on the balls of the feet to add a beautiful ending. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I hope you love this move as much as I do. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions or comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have fun on the poles, everybody. Take care.